Yes, he has learned that catnip with toys dipped in catnip. We have a kitty who gets kind of crazy. Yes, look at this, everyone. Indeed. Rabbit pussy, rabbit pussy, rabbit pussy, rabbit pussy. In today's video, we're going to talk about the kitty who holds the world record for the longest tail. Yeah. And that kitty is a beautiful silver Maine Coon. Yes, named Cygnus. Cygnus Regulus Powers. Wow, so just how long was that tail, Neffy? Do you know? Do you know how long that kitty's tail was? That kitty had a tail that was 17.58 inches. Wow! The tail was so long that Cygnus accidentally used to dip it into things sometimes. And his owners, Lauren and Will Powers, said that he had to be careful, even not to catch it on fire. Yeah! Cygnus lived with Arcturus, who was the world's tallest cat that we're discussing in another video. Yes, they both unfortunately passed away in a house fire in November of 2017, but they lived so long enough that they both made it into the Guinness Book of World Records. Yes, Cygnus and Arcturus lived in Farmington, Michigan. And the mom and the dad, Lauren and Will Powers, very awesomely run a shelter for kitties. Yes, they do. It is called the Ferndale Cat Shelter. They both run it together, and I think that is one of the most heartwarming things in this whole world. Those kitties had made the headlines with those records back in 2018, being listed officially in the Guinness Book of World Records. Yeah. One of the things I really appreciate that the owners have done is that they've taken pictures of the kitties, and they've done everything they've promoted those kitties even since they've passed away to help with stray kitties and to help with their shelter to raise money for that. Well, I think that all of you, every one of you here on YouTube and elsewhere who spends their time taking care of abandoned and stray kitties are some of the most awesome human beings on this world. Yes, I think so. You guys are the angels and the lights to these precious kitties, to each and every one that you take care of. Yes, so that they can have a happy, wonderful, full life like this little one is. Yeah! Well, thank you all so very much for watching this video today. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget, don't you take those sweating paws. Don't forget to dig those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell like Neffy is, so that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video.